Hi guys, have you ever noticed your computer randomly waking up in the middle of the night even when you are sure you put it to sleep? In this video I am going to show you exactly how to find out what woke your computer and how you can stop it from happening again. So here are the process. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows. Run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes. Now in command prompt Windows, after blinking cursor, execute the command as shown on a screen. Power configuration POWERCFG last wake. Don't forget to put dash in between power configuration and last wake and press enter. It will show wake history, wake source, type, fixed feature. In this result, power button. Your computer will wake up due to you press power button. So here you will easily find out reason how woke your computer.